Hey there, I'm Jacqueline and I'm a painter of over 35 years and a teacher for more than 20 years where I've been helping literally thousands of students to overcome their painting bugbears using my no-fail blooms painting method to create stunning paintings like these. So we paint roses, peonies, poppies, irises, succulents, fruit such as figs, things like this, where you get to practice your blending and your colour mixing and colour combinations, and even how to handle the more tricky interiors that happen sometimes with flowers and the beautiful texture that you want to capture to create volume and form. So when a student comes to me to do my 5-day painting workshop, which I do in Sydney, Sunshine Coast, the Barossa Valley, Perth, New Zealand, I'm sure I've forgotten somewhere, but anyway, have a look below. And I also teach in France, so you can check out that as well, Blooms France. When people come to me, the first thing that I do is I sort them out with their painting, how to paint, like how to use the paint, how to use the brushes, how to blend, how to pick up the paint, what to put with the paint, how much moisture you use with the paint, all sorts of stuff. So before they even go to the canvas, they've got so much more confidence so that they can actually go in and start painting. And we actually use a system of painting with my blooms where I help you to build the painting in layers. You don't have to be a perfect painter and do it all at once. You might think, oh, I'll never get to be able to produce that. But my students do produce things like this all the time, and they look as good as this. So I'm sure you can do it too. Even if you've never painted before, I have lots of newbie painters come in and they do a great job because everything is shown to you how to do it. I do loads of demos and I also give you a hand to help you through any painting issues. So that works really well. And also if you haven't painted for a long time, some people haven't painted since high school, but there's that itch, they want to get back to their work. Or perhaps you've tried painting at home and you've got stuck, because all paintings have a start, a middle and a finish. And if you don't know how to get past the issues in the middle, which is what I teach as well. I teach how to finesse a painting, how to assess what's going on, and how to get past your painting bugbears. If you don't know how to do that, then you can feel like, oh, I don't want to go back into the studio because all I'm facing is issues. I show you how to really quickly get past any painting issues so that it works really well. So I hope you'll join me. We work in acrylics, everything's provided, and all you need to do is turn up with comfy shoes, a yogurt container, and a painting shirt, and a great attitude. We do work hard, but we do get 2 great paintings and you get a whole raft of wonderful new techniques to play with that'll make a huge difference to you as an artist. So join me in the Blooms Painting Workshops. Signing off, love and paintbrushes from Jacqueline, and I'll see you in class.